Hi guys, this is Eduard Bf 109 that I picked up some time ago. It's one of many Bf 109s that I got, but this is the first one that I will be making. As you can see, I have already started working on the cockpit area. This kit comes with a few photo etch parts that enhance the look of the model. After I was done with the assembly, I could paint all the pieces with white primer. All the remaining details I painted with my brush. I didn't want to spend too much time on them because I knew they will be barely visible. When I was done with the cockpit, I could start working on the pilot seat. This kit comes with a set of seat belts that I glued with super glue. I painted all the levers with dark red to make the cockpit more interesting. When the cockpit was ready, I added dark wash. Any excess wash I removed with cotton swab and odorless turpentine. Now I had to work on the engine because it serves as a structural component to connect the fuselage. I knew this area would be tricky, so I put everything into the fuselage to make sure the fitment is correct. Before closing the cockpit, I added silver paint to imitate chipping. Overall, I had a few fitment issues on this model and I couldn't get this part to fit, so I had to remove some excess plastic. The kit contains replacement for those flaps, so I removed them with my side cutters. I cut out most of my parts and painted them all at once. When the paint was drying, I could start working on the wings. I started by gluing the flaps I made earlier. Once the model was mostly glued together, I could prime it with white primer. For this build, I was using Mr. Color acrylic paints. To help me work on those complex shapes, I added additional masking tape. When the paint was dry, I could start removing the masking tape. I still had to paint yellow tips on the edges. I started by spraying white paint, so the yellow is not that dark. To help me work on small dots, I bought stencils from Galaxy Models. At first, I was trying to make them with my airbrush, but the dots were too big and was not what I was looking for. For the decals, I was using Tamiya decal solution. It provides strong adhesion but doesn't leave any residue. I added dirt accumulation near the cabin with Tamiya enamel paints. For the final touch, I added exhaust marks. I sprayed Tamiya enamel paints in a few layers to achieve the final result. And that is it. Thank you for watching. I still have a ton of those models to build, so see you in the next episode.